Hi loves, so today I have an AliExpress haul for you. So it's not really a big haul, but I loved everything that I got, so I'm just gonna jump right in and show you what it is that I got. So I have this 12 pack of these mylar or angel paper flakes, and they're really stunning. They also have a holographic shift to them, which is really nice, and they're super sparkly. So I'm just gonna get right into it and show you guys what it is that they are, like how they are. I believe they do have like some glitter inside of them as well. And here I am trying to open this. So the first color that we have is this beautiful blue color. It's like a dusty blue, but really light as well. It's showing up much darker on camera. I'm not sure why, but again, it has those pretty holographics in it. And then there's this pink color. None of these have names, by the way. Oops, I just spilled it a little bit, but that's okay. So yeah, none of these have any names to them, so I'm just gonna call them the color that they are. So this is the pink one, and it also has holographic flakes in it as well. All right, so next up we have this one, and it is silver, and I don't know why I didn't get something to open these, but okay, such is life. So this is the silver one, and it as well has holographic flakes in it, and it looks kind of blue, but it's silver. It's really gorgeous. And here I am, I'm just comparing the blue to the silver so you can actually see like it is literally silver, but the holographic flakes just show like bluish. And next we have this gold one, and this gold is really gold, guys. Again, don't know why I'm trying to struggle here without using something to open it, but such is life. And this gold is so beautiful. It's more of a yellow toned gold, but absolutely gorgeous with those holographic flakes in it as well. And then now we have this green color, and here we go. Your girl got smart real quick. So I just opened it up with a pair of scissors, and it's this green one, and it has those beautiful holographic flakes, and I just love this green. It screams Christmas. I know Christmas is gone, but for me it just screamed Christmas, and it went so well with my festive nails. Then next up we have this bright blue one, and this one is my utmost favorite color of the whole kit. And it's just so bright, so vibrant. Like, look at it, it's stunning. And I'm just going to show you the comparison between the two blues. So this one is more bright and vibrant, and the other one is kind of dull. So one can be like a summer color and one could be like a winter color, which is really great to have that variety. And then we have this green color, which shows very goldy as well. It has a very goldy undertone to it, but it is green. It's more like an olive, or yeah, like an olive green. And I'll show you the comparisons between the two green colors. So one is more like of a bright green, and then one is more subtle toned green. And then, oh, okay, you know what, I take it back. This is my utmost favorite color of the whole pack, and it is the champagne gold. And oh my god, it is so stunning. It's very similar to the champagne color that I have on my thumbs, and as you can see, it's much lighter in yellow than the previous gold color that I showed you guys before. All right, next up we have this beautiful purple color, guys. These are gonna be my spring nails right here. They're so pretty, and I'm showing you in comparison with the blue. It's very purple. I love the purple ones, so stunning. At first, when I saw this one, I thought it was black, like in the jar kind of looks black, but then when I opened it, I realized it's like a really deep metallic copper, or like a gunmetal copper, or like a brown maybe, but it's really dark and beautiful. Next up we have another pink color. This is kind of an in-between color though. It's like shifts of purple but has like a baby pink kind of look to it, so it can go both ways. It's either on the baby pink side or on the purple side. It's in between both of the colors, which is really nice as well. It's like a transition. So if you wanted to do like a pink and purple ombre, this would be definitely a perfect center color. Next up, we have another color that leans towards the green side. This is more of a hunter type of green. The other one was more olive. This one's a little bit on the deeper green side of things. So that was beautiful. And next up in the package, we have some of these little stickers. These are for press-on nails because I've been wanting to try some press-on nails and I wanted to see if these worked very well. So I ordered 5 of those. It's like a holographic flakes or chrome flakes. I think they're called chrome flakes. I'm not quite sure what they're called, but I will leave it in the description. And I got this color right here and I was just admiring like the applicator, because the applicators that I purchased separately were really cheap and like gross compared to the quality of one that they sent me with these flakes. They're way better quality. So I already prepped a nail with just some black Aimeili gel polish and some top coat also from Aimeili. So I'm just gonna go in with that flakes and I'm gonna just do it like as if it was a chrome. So you can do like 2 styles with this. I believe you can do it where you put it on and it's just showing the flakes like all over the nail, or you can like rub it in and have it have that chrome effect. But just keep in mind, if you do the chrome effect, it does show like a flaky chrome effect. It's not like 100% just a smooth chrome. It's kind of textured, but not to the touch. It's like textured to the look. So just keep that in mind. But that's all I have for this video. Everything that I have in the video is listed in the description box below. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.